Welcome back to a new episode on my channel Arctic North Adventures. Today I have to do some stuff to clear my mind. I would like to finish my van build series. That's why I'm going to work on the van today. I ordered a couple days ago some parts. I have to check, verify everything if it's possible without demounting everything. So I would like to have my van ready for the next weeks for doing some trips. Changed all parts and don't have a historic on the van. Better to do the parts, change it, and then I know it's new and it's okay and the van is working. So stay tuned for follow-up. Before, if I had some packages, I had to go to the other side, as you see in the frame. And now happily, gladly, it's now really nearby, so I save like 10 minutes just driving for going to the other side. And here's the store. And we have a post office inside. I don't know how big the packages will be, so I will just have a look. I'll just place you here. Some heavy packages. Took some time today, so now it's 4 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon. Just wrap it up and go home. So now we are in the basement, as you see. Now I'm going to check the delivery of the parts to the car and see what we got. It's a lot of parts. Actually, I don't do this stuff often on a car, so it will be more learning by doing, and I hope it will be everything fine to do this as an amateur. You see here, brakes, some tools for the brake, changing oil. This is for the engine, coolant. I have a fuel filter, an oil filter and air filter, some glow plugs. So this is probably the easiest stuff to change. So these guys here for the drum brakes, it's for the disc. Now it's the question, what should I start with first? Will be some work, I guess, but needs to be done. So I think it's just getting started with this. And I guess I will do probably the filter first, the air filter and the diesel filter probably. And then I will see with the other stuff. So I'm just going to start with the air filter. It's the most easy part to do, so I can see if the parts are correct. It's a huge filter. Whew. Look at this thing. Okay, so this is actually the right size. I'm happy about that. That's pretty cool. Okay, that was the filter, air filter, and it's done. I had to do some shopping in the town, not far away from here, like 50 minutes. Since I did not have a wrench or tool for unscrew my oil filter, so I had to buy some stuff, and it was this one. I also bought some stuff that I can get the end to my drawer always opening, as you see here. So I'm finally going to fix the whole van. Buy this tool here today, since the filter is so big. I'm not sure if I manage it with this, but I need to give it a try. So it was the wrong engine oil, so I cannot change it today. I need to buy a different type. So I'm going to change the fuel filter now. This is hidden over there, so it's really difficult. Just unplug this one, those two, and 2 bolts, and it should be loose. It was a bit tricky to get it out, but here it is. So I just need to unscrew it and change. Untighten the fuel filter, but I managed it in the end. So here it is, finished and changed. So I just need to mount it. Yeah, this episode has come to an end. My camera died to replace the fuel filter in its hole. That's why some parts missing. Anyway, I hope you liked this episode. It was actually lots of going on in the last 2-3 weeks, but I had to do a lot of stuff, so I did not be able to film everything. But have patience, stay tuned. Now I have my working period again for several weeks, so I will just put some van build stuff out. And when I'm going to a road trip, and where I will film a lot of stuff for you, around Lofoten Island, maybe Senja, and a little bit from Vesterålen. So stay tuned to follow up.